I decided I'm gonna start a series called Cooking with Kayla to try to motivate myself to cook more because I don't do that. So today I'm going to make baked mac and cheese. So I already identified some macaroni, so that's just gonna be over there. All right, so I found a measuring cup and I decided I'm probably gonna need a whisk, so I got this done too. So first I'm using lactate milk because I don't want bubble guppies. Anyway, so you need a cup and a half of milk. Oh yeah, and I also cooked an entire box of macaroni. That's probably important. So milk, half a cup of heavy whipping cream. It's this thing. I'm using ShopRite brand. It'll shake it. Okay. I need to add a cup of every kind of cheese, basically. So a cup of, I have Colby Jack creamy melts. Cup of sharp cheddar. And then it says 6 to 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. And I don't know why they're going to switch from cups to ounces. That don't make no sense. But literally 8 ounces is a cup anyway. So a cup of this cup. So apparently the amount of Velveeta cheese you add depends on how creamy you want your mac and cheese. So the more cheese, the more creaminess. Yeah. So next we mix it all together. Okay, now that we're done mixing, I'm gonna add salt and pepper and paprika to add some flavoring to my cheese milk cream sauce, basically. So I'm using garlic salt. And there is no measurement, so I'm just going for it. This is what she's looking like. And then again, I'm a mixy. All right, so they said you can taste it. So I'm gonna taste it. It tastes, I don't know, fine, I guess. So now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. All right, so my mama said you should always clean as you cook, so I did that. But the mixture is basically done. You just have to mix those things together. And now we have to butter a 9 by 9 pan. So I'm gonna just get in there. So now that this is done, I'm going to grab my bowl of mac and cheese and just put it all in there. Next, you pour in this mixture. This is what she looks like. So next you want to grate about a cup of sharp smoked cheddar cheese and so I have about this much cheese. I don't feel like actually measuring it, so I'm just gonna YOLO it. And then you pretty much use this cheese to sprinkle on top of all of this. So I'm gonna do that. The last step before we put it in the oven is to get some butter and put a bunch of little like butter blobs around. Not too big. This is just to help, I don't know, make it crispy or something. That's what I'm. Alright, so when I'm done, it looks like this. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'll come back and show y'all what it looked like when it's done. It has to cook for 35 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave a link to the recipe in the description box below if you want to make this mac and cheese for your mama, brother, father, auntie, uncles, cousins, I don't know, just show them that you can cook. And yeah, have fun, bye.